How to fix TikTok lagging problem. If your TikTok account or the TikTok app is currently having lagging issues, then let me show you a couple of ways that you can fix this issue. Now, the first thing that you can try out is try to free up some space. Clear the app cache inside of your TikTok app. Let's head over to the app of TikTok, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then head over to settings and privacy. From here, scroll down, head over to free up space and make sure that the cache option is cleared out. Also, if you do have drafts saved, you can also clear them out so that your TikTok app is free of space. What you can now also try out is try to update the app of TikTok. Sometimes having small bugs may also cause these issues. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, and if you do see new updates for the TikTok app, you can just tap on the update button. Now, you also may face the lagging issue if your phone is running out of space. If that is the case for you, you just need to simply delete out things that you don't need or move it to a different storage so that your phone is free of space and the TikTok again starts working without having any issues. So if you follow these simple steps, you should be able to fix the TikTok lagging problem. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.